Subscribe and share our CISNewsStudio1s channel. And click the bell button to receive news updates. News headlines.
Japan's revolutionary magnetic levitation discovery, the end of batteries and engines. Japan may have just unveiled a breakthrough that could make battery and engine-operated vehicles obsolete. Scientists from the Quantum Machines Unit at the Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology OIST have developed a floating graphite platform that operates without external power, relying instead on magnetic levitation. This breakthrough in gravity-free technology could redefine how we think about motion. Currently, most vehicles waste energy combating gravity and friction. The Japanese researchers believe their innovation, which uses magnetic fields to levitate materials, could lead to a new era of gravity-free transportation and advanced sensors for practical and scientific uses.
To receive updated news, subscribe our YouTube channel.